Hey everybody, hi and welcome and thanks for joining me and my sidekicks for today's video. Zena's trying to make a break for it. Can you say hi to everybody before you decide to disappear? That's a good girl. Say hi. Wyatt is like behind me. There you go. Say hi to everybody. All right. Super excited because one of my favorite subscriptions is here and I get to show it to you. My Bolzano handbag subscription is in this box and it looks interesting and I'm so excited. This subscription is sent to me for review, but it is one of my favorites. For some reason, I get really excited whenever it comes. And I got a heads up in advance that this is a limited time subscription and I can't wait to dig into it and see what's in here. It is called let me make sure I get it right. This is called the Luxe Plus subscription. When you order it, you pay for it in a 3-month time frame. It's $49.50 a month. So I think that works out to about $148.50 for all 3 months. And it includes 4 to 5 more beauty items plus a free Biotherm Aqua Source, which is valued at $24.99. So I'm so excited because the Biotherm Aqua Source is like half of what you would pay for the whole thing anyway. And you do pay for it quarterly. It's only available limited time. And I can't wait to see what's in here. But you do get a purse like you would for the normal subscription. You get the matching accessories. So it's like it's the Luxe Plus. Everything that would be in the Luxe subscription that I normally show you. Plus extra beauty products and the Biotherm Aqua Source, which is an amazing beauty product for moisture, hydration. All right, and it's valued up to $300, and you get the purse, matching accessories, unique beauty products. So let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Comes in this fun little Bolzano bag. I love the little tag, says spoil yourself. Yeah, you deserve to be spoiled. Don't you love that? Love that. All right, so let's dig into this and all the goodies. I can't wait. I think this subscription is so much fun. If you love to switch out your handbag with your outfits, I think it'd be fun to share with a friend and you guys could swap out bags. So I think, oh, this is pretty. I think it's just such a fun subscription for the value. Just to let you know, so this one is the Luxe Plus. So it is, as I said, $49.50 a month, but you do have to get it in a 3-month subscription. So you would have to pay the $148.50. But all their subscriptions are not like that, just so you're aware. They do have like just the purse and accessories subscription for $33.95 a month. You don't have to get that at 3 months at a time. You can get it monthly, pay per month. You can also pause or cancel at any time by letting them know. They also have the Luxe subscription, which is $43.95 per month, and it still includes the accessories, the bag, and the beauty products. You can also just get the bag if you want to. You can just get the accessories if you want to. They have several versions of their subscriptions, so always so much fun. All right, let's dig into this. Oh, I do want to mention before I forget, shipping is free in the U.S., $10 outside of the U.S. All right. Check out this bag. How pretty is that? I love the blue. I love the hardware. I like the Bolzano emblem there. It does have the feet. I love that when you have to force to set your bag down. I love that you can set it on the little feet. Look how nice that is. And look at all the detail in the design here. That is so pretty. The color's so pretty heading into spring. So pretty. Love this. All right, let's see what's in here. So you just push on the 2 little buttons here and it's filled with goodies. All right, I'm going to take them out and then we'll talk about purse first and then we'll talk about all the goodies. All right, there is a little paper in here that tells you about the bag. So we'll get to that. All right, so here's the inside. Check out the inside. It's got a lot of room. I always love a bag that I can use as a crossbody, but is big enough to fit my big wallet. I carry a wallet that's about, you know, probably about that big maybe. Zipper, the one that zips all the way around. And I wanted to be able to fit my phone. I wanted to be able to fit my lipstick, car keys, sunglasses. So I love this. I do love them that can be a crossbody as well. And that if it's going to be a smaller bag, I'd like it to be able to also fit inside my work bag. So this one would fit the bill. I love the color. It does have a pocket, let me see here, a pocket in the back here. And I think that's the only pocket in it. It does have, you can see, little hooks here on the side because here is the strap and it is adjustable. You can see. Look how cute that is. And yeah, there's what it looks like crossbody. Actually, it's probably perfect for me, just the way that it is. If I could turn the camera here a minute, you guys can see. Yeah, here's what it looks like. I can make it a little bit longer if I wanted to, but otherwise this is cute as a crossbody. I like it. And then I could also just use it as a shoulder bag. How cute is that? I like it. Otherwise you can just carry it right by the little handle and off you go. Oh, that's cute. I just love this. Okay, so I think this is super pretty. Let's read about it. So you do get a little card that tells you about it and some additional information here about the Luxe Plus subscription. So let's first read about the bag. It says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Brianna especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $195. Brianna is part of our latest collection. It comes in sky blue and cream. So what we love about this bag, it's stylish top handle, sleek metallic locking closure, the convenient crossbody strap, inside multiple purpose compartments, and the patterned exterior design and the structured shape. I also would add the little feet. I love the little feet. They don't mention it. Now, so let's get to the rest of the goodies. I think that's so pretty. I love it. All right. So it says signed up for Luxe Plus, receive a free Biotherm Moisturizer plus 4 to 5 beauty items monthly. So let's check this out. Let's see what else I got here. It does say that you can always exchange your bag for a different color, so I did want to call that out. So if you wanted the cream, for instance, you could swap it out, this blue out for the cream, or vice versa. And also if you wanted a different style, if your bag scent was not one within your selected preferences, the exchange is complimentary. If it was within your preferences and you still would like to do an exchange, you just pay for the shipping. So that's always good to know as well. All right, let's do these beauty products since I mentioned the Biotherm moisturizer, and here it is. So this is the Biotherm Aquasource Gel Hydration Diffusion Continue 48 hour. So this, yeah, this looks really nice. So it's a gel. So it's for normal combination skin. And I'm looking forward to trying this out. And this is a full 1.69 ounces. This feels heavy. So I'm looking forward to trying this out because these are really known for moisturizing, and I really could use this. My skin has been so dry lately, I can't even stand it. I'm not even wearing any rings today because I have been putting lotion on my hands constantly today. So I'm excited to try this out. So this has a retail value of $24.99. Next up, L'Oreal Studio Secrets Professional Smoothing Resurfacing Primers. Oh, check this out. Yeah, this is moisturizing primer, and you can put this on underneath your foundation. So this is really cool. And this is, I'm looking for the size here. I don't know. It feels heavy. This one feels like a decent size as well. So let's find out. 2. Studio Secrets Professional Smoothing Resurfacing Primer. Yeah. 2 of them. How cool is that? So if I'm reading this correctly, each of these are 15 milliliters, little jars. So these are cute. Let me know if you guys have tried this out before and if it's worked for you. Cool. All right, there's more. Next up, silicone nipple covers. It says when a traditional bra just won't do it. This is 1 pair of self-adhesive concealer, reusable up to 30 times. So have you guys ever used these? So this is nice when you want to wear something that a bra just won't work for, right? Because maybe it's backless or it's drapey or something, you know, on the side. These are nice when you still want some coverage. And a traditional bra just won't do, or a strapless bra won't do, right? Because maybe it's backless, which is really nice because that way you're covered. So that's a really nice extra. All right, and next up is what is this? L'Occitane cream mains. So this is hand cream. Yep. I can't pronounce anything today. Yep, so this is for dry skin hand cream. 20% shea butter, it says. This is what I was just talking about, how dry my hands are. So this is perfect timing. I need this desperately. So this is pretty cool. There was 1, 2, 3, 4 beauty products in here. All of these are very useful. All of them. I like this idea. Tell me if you guys have tried these before. Because in the summertime, sometimes you just need a different solution, right? So I would love to hear it. All right, there's still more stuff in here. What's next? Okay, so next up is this very cute little coin purse or whatever, credit card holder, whatever you'd like to use for it that matches the bag. Isn't that cute? With the fun little Bolzano logo hanging from it here. How pretty is that? I love it. So that way you have more compartments in your bag, right? Yeah. Here's the inside. Lots of room. So cute. I like it. Also, there is jewelry here. So check this out. If you guys can see that. I'll get out of the plastic here for you, but it's a necklace and the strap matches the bag. And this is heavy. So check that out. So this is a blue leather strap. I'm sure it's probably the same vegan leather that the bag is made from. And this is a pretty thick weighted piece hanging here from it. So it's got the 3 rings. And that's really pretty. So it goes pretty long, comes down to right above where my waistband would be. So that's pretty. Yeah. Very cute. There's also earrings. I'm disturbing Wyatt, who's still laying right behind me. If you guys can see him, he's sighing. He's too funny. All right, wait till you see these. They're very, they have the double, like the 3-ring theme going on as well. So they're a hoop. And hopefully you guys can see that. Those are pretty. I like that they have a theme. Everything matches. This is probably not the best. I probably don't have the best color on for this. I like the blue though. I love that it's like thinking spring. What do you guys think? I think those are cute. I like a good hoop, and these are a little bit different. Yeah, and the necklace is pretty as well. It's longer. And that is all of my pieces. Isn't that cute? That's everything. There was so much in here between the purse and the little wristlet, or the little extra little compartment there. Coin purse. It's not staying where I put it. The jewelry. And all of the beauty products, which there were so many here. I love them all. All for $49.90. What did I tell you guys? It was $49.90, $49.50. Yeah, $49.50 a month. But you do have to get it for 3 months. So I'll make sure I do say that so you're not surprised in case you go out and check it out. So they do say, how can I tweak my style for next month? If you'd like different attributes in the products that are sent, you can access your style profile. So you do have a profile by going out to BalzanoHandbags.com and switching up your style and answering questions differently. So if you are currently subscribing and you do want to get different products or swap things out, you can always go up and update your profile. So this was fun. I like all my goodies. And of course I have a code for you. So if you would like to try this out, and all you have to do is go out to BalzanoHandbags.com and put the subscription of your choice in your cart, and then put the code little box gift in the search bar, and the gift that comes up, or the item that comes up, if you put that in your cart, you will get that item for free. So I'll put that information down below if you want to give this subscription a try. And if you're already getting this subscription, I would love to hear how you are enjoying it and how you have been styling some of your pieces. These are fun. So what do you guys think? So many items. I can't wait to try these out. These are interesting, right? And I need these for my dry hands. Yeah, and this will be so fun come spring. I think definitely you could start using it now, but definitely would be really nice in the spring. So Zena has come out of her hidey hole now and is rushing me to end this video. So thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you had fun. I had fun showing you all of my goodies. Please consider hitting that like button. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me. It helps my channel and helps me bring you content. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.